what is up, guys? Today, something funny happened. Anyways, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be opening up I don't know what these are called. Booster bundles? Anyways, aliens are hitting me with balls. Anyways, so this is, I'm pretty sure this is called a booster bundle. Anyways, I'm pretty sure these are called booster bundles. So I'm opening up I'm opening this up because it's a Got it. Okay, anyway, so I'm opening this up because of Diwali. It's a celebration in India. Stop, aliens. So I'm gonna be opening up this because for Diwali. You're probably gonna watch this on Diwali. Stop. I'll show you the aliens at the end. Don't. Ow. Anyways, these are called booster bundles. I'm gonna be opening this up. It has 4 booster packs inside it, and these aliens are gonna try to keep hitting me. So I'm gonna try to make a video while they're hitting me with a freaking squishy plushie. Let's give them a few more. Stop! Aliens! Invaded! Okay, anyways. I'm scared. I don't know when they're gonna... I need to open this up! Alien! Ow! You guys, don't do it too much, aliens! I need to make my video too, you know. Stupid aliens. What can I say? Aliens! Don't ever trust them! This was $20, but yeah, it's called a build and battle box. That's what it's called. There's 4 booster packs inside it. Please don't kill me, aliens. Are you serious? I can't even. One sec, guys. Okay, there. Made a cut in it. Gotta satisfyingly get off the wrapper if I actually can satisfyingly get it. You need your ASMR every day, you know? Stop laughing, aliens. I wish I could make that ripping sound. The aliens are throwing plushies in the background. Oh, there got the chaos. Don't hit my desk. It has a lot of valuable stuff. I was ready for that. Okay. Opening up your daily average. Build and battle pack. Ooh, nice. Let's see what promo card we get. Let's see what promo card we get. Where's the promo card? What? No! I need the promo card. Okay, wait. Oh, we got a Gengar. So basically, when you open up these build and battle decks, you can get 1 unique foil promo card. This is really cool. Definitely, I would recommend this for maybe $20. Here are the booster packs. 4 booster packs of Lost Origin. Let's see what we get. Please don't hit me, aliens, while I'm trying to do my... Okay, first pack of cards. What do you think I'm gonna get? Alien showed up in the background, as you can see. You might see aliens throughout the video. Hashtag aliens. I know you can't hashtag. I don't have comments allowed. These aliens are rude.
No, we are.
Bro, they're throwing Stop! I'm trying to calm down. Stop. They're hitting me. Stop. I'm serious now. Too much. Anyways, we got our first pack. Code card. I don't know if these are... Okay. V-Star! Please don't hit my camera, aliens. Please don't hit my camera. Stop! You're gonna ruin everything. Stop. If you threw that bear, I would kill you. V-Star! Gloom! Gift energy. Whoa, this is cool. Gift energy! Gastronaut! Done. Mercuro, what? I thought this was Wormpole! Tinamo! C-Dot! Horsey? Glacier? And a Rhyperior. Ooh, cool. Shiny! Next pack! We're going through these quickly so that the aliens don't kill me. Second pack. Oh my god, these aliens love crayons. These guys are gonna mess up my desk after this. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Stop! That's my puzzle.
Oh my god.
Don't hit me with that again. I have to get something, right? Even a V would be good, honestly. Even a V. You're supposed to get something in these products, right? Anyways, code card. I'm pretty sure they're just reprints. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bag of... Okay, anyways. Fire energy. I should have guessed it. I'm going to guess it next time, I promise. Ambipom. Abomasnow. What is that? Oh, damage pump. That's weird. Oregon. Ooh, I like that. Oh, wow. Ducklets. Ducklet. Rule breaking Nate hates him. Blippa. I don't know how to pronounce it. Finian. Imagine I pull like a alternate art Garantina and the Ducklets in the pack. He's gonna regret all his choices. Hisuian Soria. Ah! Machoke and Clefaiba. I think you guys already saw that. You got 2 packs remaining. I'm getting kind of nervous. Yeah. This is my friend. Oh, he's dead. Yeah, these aliens are very annoying, trust me. You won't see aliens like these any day. They're very unique. No way. They have laser guns. Who knew? My Pokemon!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Chaos everywhere. Chillax. Jeez.
He got a new buddy named Fred and Bob.
Oh crap! I messed it up.
I think got a new buddy named Fred or Bob. You can call him Bob. His name is SpongeBob.
Okay.
His name is Taku or Baku.
Bro, I'm making a YouTube video. Okay.
Pokemon.
I'm serious. I'm making a YouTube video.
Pokemon. अलग-अलग लैंग्वेज आनी तो चाहिए यार सीरियल में बंदे भी सीखे.
Yeah, my friend is speaking Hindi.
आती है ना वो दे क्या बना.
Swiper! No, stop. Galarian Stunkfish.
That was my friend named Bob. And then
Bronzong, I already got this.
here's Bob, guys. Say hi to
Paris.
Bob, guys.
Paris, France.
Say hi to Bob and Fred.
Inge. Stop.
Nerd.
Hisuian Basculin. Jinx, your mom.
Jinx, your mom.
Stop.
Your mama. Your mama.
Jinx, your mom.
mama.
Jinx.
Jinx.
Makuhita. The Sandy Vibes.
Roar, roar,
Oh my god! Oh my god! Double pull! Double pull! I got a trainer gallery! I got Cloud Alien. And I got a 4 enormous. Enormous. Oh my God!
Here's Mr. Bob, guys, and Fred.
अगर आप लोगों को हिंदी आती है दोनों मेरी है हिंदी आती है सबको हिंदी आती है किसी को तो वो सुन ले मेरी बात ये जो दिखा रहे हैं वो मेरे हैं
Guys,
Dad,
this
no,
is Bob.
stop. It's
Guys,
not yours.
Guys, this is
Oh my God!
Guys, this is Bob's girlfriend.
Oh.
Say hi to Bob's girlfriend. Here, you guys want to
Oh,
say
Bob.
that?
We got the. You guys are messing around with
Here's
me.
Bob. Here's Bob, by the way. Guys, here's Bob.
Oh my God
Everyone's causing chaos. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Oh my God.
Guys,
I can't believe it. I cannot believe it, actually, guys. I am really surprised.
Guys, they're kissing. Guys, Bob and Fredina are kissing.
Guys, I don't like to make cringe videos.
Bob, you're dead. I'm gonna kill Bob. I'll sniff his butt. I'll sniff
No.
Bob's butt. Where's Liz? Yay! Something broke.
Okay, anyway.
Technical difficulties.
Stop. I'm trying to finish it. You guys are making me make it too long.
Toxic waste.
Fighting energy. Stop!
See batting has on crystal can you all again see that
Yes, the crystal. Okay, now we get it. Fighting energy. Hunter! Shut up. Polyworld.
अच्छा उस बंदे का नाम
Luminian.
ठीक है समझ गया
Meditite.
ठीक है
Ooh, I'd never seen this one. Sandy
Pokemon.
beachy vibes. Okay.
Pokemon.
Shellos.
Pokemon.
Minfu.
Pokemon.
Lit Leo. I'm lit.